Make a great choice today with the 2019 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.